Mannat, what are you doing?
I'm gonna be doing. I'm 6 years old and I help my mom doing the laundry.
Do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
No.
Let's see. Let's see if she does or not, guys. So first, what are you doing?
First, I'm gonna get the clothes from here to here.
So you're taking off the dryer clothes that are already washed and dry?
Yeah. Okay, I'll stay back.
Nice. All done here?
No.
More, huh?
Yep. There's a lot.
Damn. So you put all the clothes in dryer
Yep.
and then do you know how to turn it on?
Yes.
Okay, oh.
We press this button. And then we press this button.
Good job, little one.